Alright, guys, welcome to our weekly review. And this is what we thought about doing, and just reviewing our trades, our setups for the previous week. And as you can see on the screen, what we have here is, just basically all our setups for this week. So we thought about showing you our setups, our trades, our losses before we clear them off for a new trading week. So as you can see, we've made few trades during this week. Even our Twitter family, we are not always active on Twitter, but now we have to, because someone just sponsored 100 students, or should I say 100 people for our new modules for the how to send money from abroad to your country without incurring charges and removing the middleman. And also for the new coming session, the foreign exchange proper training session. So now we have to be active on Twitter. So now let's just dive into what we did for the week. So I'm going to start from Friday last week, because I think it's something we all need to, most times people come out here and tell you that, oh, I'm trading, I'm a profitable trader, I am this, I am that, At the end of the day, they just show you profitable trades. They are not ready to tell you that there are times when your setup will not even get mitigated. There are times when your setup will be wrong. Yes, we are smart money traders. We are Michael protege, we are Michael students, but it doesn't still mean that we will not lose at times. So I'm going to show us my trade setup for Friday. So let's take a look at this. So on Friday we had a beautiful setup, the same strategy that we've been using, and as you can see, it went the wrong way. You see, so it hits the stop loss, and it went it went down. So on Monday we did not see any profitable setup at all. Now this is a 1 hour time frame chart. We don't take our trades on 1 hour. I made this 1 hour time frame so that it can bring everything to get that. So let me see, let's go to 15 minutes time frame, guys. So now let's see what we have. I think on Monday, like I said, we had no profitable setup, so we did not trade at all. We didn't touch the market at all. So this was Monday, guys, and you see, nothing, like absolutely nothing. Yeah, okay. I think our trade held from Friday through Monday, so it ended on Monday and it hit stop loss on Monday morning. So yeah, although I think it started on Monday. Yeah, it started on Monday too. So Monday morning, very early in the morning. So throughout Monday we had no setup that was promising, so we let the market breathe. There are times when you see things we could have come in here, picked our trade here. This is an institutional order flow. This is a order block on itself, by itself, and I know there are so many traders around the world who would have taken this trade, but it does not align with my own strategy. A lot of institutional traders will have taken this buy here and would have had their stop loss. I said take profit here. They would have taken profit here or here, but it did not align with my own setups, so I ignored it. Now, this is Tuesday. Moving to Tuesday now. So, when everything aligned, we had a shift in market structure. We had a change in market structure. We also have a change in character. So everything aligned well, and they picked up our trade here. We had our entry here, which it mitigated perfectly. Almost went to our stop loss, but came down and it gave us profit here. Upon giving us profit, the market moved away again, as you can see. So we had a 3.37 risk to reward ratio here, and it was a beautiful trade, everybody. It was indeed a beautiful trade. So that was it for Tuesday. It was a perfect trade, So the market consolidated all through the day to Wednesday. The same thing happened on Wednesday. We had a good setup, and market, it did not mitigate our first trade. You see, a lot of people would say that, they just come and tell you, like I said, their profit structure, their profitable trades and all that. It's really, really, really funny how people just tell you the success story without telling you the failure story. Michael Odison had a Twitter space with everybody yesterday, and he explained how failure is part of the game. That you haven't failed until you decide that, yes, I'm done. That is when you fail. And he was also explaining how you need to let go of setups, how you need to let go of trade. If it is not coming, leave it, let it be, leave it be. Leave it be. Okay, now the same Wednesday, this did not mitigate our setup, right? And later in the day, around 12 noon, so we found an opportunity in the market again, and we went for it. We went to a lot of people. This buy trade here, they wouldn't have taken it. Why? Because there is no major thing telling a story here, but there is. If you look at it here, we had a shift here, somewhere around it. We had a shift in market structure, and it's evident that it is aiming this other block here, also aiming our initial setup. So we went for this. We put our entry, and it struck our entry. We did not go beyond our target. Yes, it is evident that there is another block here. Yes, there is also a fair value gap here. We could have gone for this. Because obviously the market is still going to mitigate this institutional candle, but we did not. We have a structure that must be maintained, and which is what we did. Later in this video, I'm going to tell us why we've been trading Euro USD all through, and I'm still going to tell us where this market is headed to. Now, we took our trade, we took our profit here, and that gave us a beautiful 3.3 RR, and that's fine. That was fine. Now, if you look at this, later in the day, that same Wednesday, the market went to the entry point of our earlier setup. You see, it's mitigated it and started selling, but we have this order deleted. So we had it deleted. Eventually we brought in our account. I brought in my account in my, should I say, paper trading now, so that we can always have the indicators of our entry and our exit. I think that was on Thursday, because initially I was taking out my trades on MetaTrader. So as you can see, that was on Thursday. That was on Thursday. You see, the markets went here and started doing fine. So we took some trades here, and it went well. We took our profit here. we had the market align to our strategy again on Thursday, which we took one other year. I think this trade was actually published on Twitter. Yeah, we had it published on Twitter on Thursday. So we took our trade here and we exited here, 13 beautiful pips, and it was wonderful. But because of the higher time frame market structure, we held it down. We had a bigger view, bigger structure in view. This was the internal structure, intraday. This also worked intraday as well, but this worked for lower time frame. This worked for lower time frame, while this other 13.52 RR worked for the higher time frame, because we had the setup set up on higher time frame. I think one hour time frame, while this was on 3 minutes time frame. So we took profit here, and we had another trade holding just one position though. So we held this and it gave us profit here. So that was it for Thursday. Friday we had no profitable setup until the market was consolidating all through that Thursday. So Friday morning we had this beautiful sell here that gave us 3.2 and the markets closed on Friday, but we already had our profit taken. So if you look at all this, you would say we've had beautiful setups. We've had a lot of traders would have seen opportunities where they would have taken trades according to their own strategy in all of this, and we would have had people trading this same Euro USD on through the week, and would have traded something else, different setup, but still profitable. So now let me I said I was going to show us where the market is driving to. So let's go to 2 hours time frame and see what we can get. So if you look at this, we have a fair value gap here, we have a fair value gap here, we also have a fair value gap here. So this is the reason why we have been trading the sell setup throughout the week, and we will continue trading the sell setup anytime there is an opportunity for a buy setup. When there is a buy bias, we go for it, like we did on Thursday. So if there is a buy bias, we go for it. If there is not, we let it be. Now if you look at this, we have 3 different zones, which I would say 2 here and here, but we have one here, we have one here, we also have one here. So this 3 is where I'm expecting this market to fall to. Here is my expectation. So if you look at this, we have it on 0.31. So that's my expectation, because we have the fair value gap there. We have everything there that is calling and drawing the market to itself. We have enough liquidity there. So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, don't force the trade if it is not coming. Okay, let me show us this was on Friday. Like I said, we had our stop loss on Monday, no trade setup. Tuesday we had the trade 46 pips target and met. On Wednesday 24 pips profit. Thursday 13 pips profit. Another 81 pips profit. You remember this particular 13.52 setup? That was on Thursday, 81 pips. And on Friday we had 26 pips. Beautiful trades, beautiful week, wonderful week, profitable week, I would say indeed. So we captured 190 pips for the week, and we only traded 5 times. So it is like Michael was saying yesterday. He said you newly started trading and you're complaining you're making $3,000 in a week or probably in a month. So why complain? There are millions of people out there trading and they are not making even $100 in a month. So it is, the more you force trading, the more you lose. If you keep forcing it, you keep losing it. So please, I'm begging us. I know, speaking to forex traders, not everybody is a student of SAFx. Not everybody is a student of Michael Edison. But if you don't understand all of these market terminologies I've used, breaking market structure, shifting market structure, changing market character, and all that, institutional order flow, you should at least understand liquidity. You should understand basic other things, other things as well. Because all these things are, I mentioned all that block, all these things are from my mentor, Michael Edison, the originator, the original owner of ICT trading concept, the inner circle trading concept, called popularly known as smart money concept. So these are the things he taught us. These are the things he clearly explained to us. And it took me years. I've been with Michael since a while now, so it took me years before I came up with this strategy myself. So, and I've come to realize one thing. Forcing trading doesn't work. The more you force it, the more endangered you put yourself. Don't force it. Let it go. Let it walk into your setup. If that happens, oh my goodness, you will continuously have a profitable setup. As always, stay safe, trade wisely, and we will be dropping more content here. I know a lot of people said our pages are dormant, Facebook is not active, Instagram is also not active, YouTube is not active, Twitter is the worst, and I'm promising us that we would start having more content for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us across all social media platforms. We love you. Be safe.